Time to do an Omega Romero. Nine envoys. Just soften the base up a little bit. Now go way over to the edge because you got to watch out. This hunter will take you out. So stay over on the edge. Shoot right here. Where you shoot is vitally important. Otherwise you suffer damage. Now don't fly away. If you fly away, the hunter will shoot you. Stop. Okay, we're done with them. Most of the base we'll do with a nick and a serb. That's it. So we just bring them in and we'll slowly clear the base. We don't need him. We need him to go right there. Where you shoot is very important. You're going to clear the base to get the least amount of damage. If I do it right, we should end up with about a minute or two worth of damage. But you can't be in a hurry. Be patient. Okay. You got a sharpshooter, you got these guys, so you just got to get their attention. Okay, now you got to be careful. You got to shoot right there. Now you got to come down. We got to shoot right there. All right. Now we'll bring him down here. Leave him right there. Now we'll use the serb. Got to get his attention. So to get rid of that turret, we'll use the serb to distract him. That's good enough right there. Good enough. Now you got to kill the things that will kill you. And you shoot right here. And if that Romero moves, get out of town. Okay, get out of town, because he will hurt you. See that Romero moves? If he moves, stop. We're not in a hurry. As long as you're patient, you should get minimum damage. Sometimes I mess up, and you know what? It's okay. Get these guys down here. Deselect them. Just take your time, slowly work your way around. Now when you shoot, you want to shoot so that the zombies come out. Otherwise the Romero will attack you. You want him to attack the zombies. If he attacks you, get out of town. Alright, he's not going to attack. Get them both down here. Let's just hurry up and wait. Take your time, but if you're slow and methodical, you should get minimum damage. All right, now we're going to come down here. Bring them both down here, and then let the serb go. Oh, we got a SS we got to kill. We're going to leave the Serb here because we're going to use the Serb to distract the Overwatch. We're going to first set it up though. Got to get rid of a sharpshooter here. Got to get rid of a sharpshooter there. Got to get rid of him. All in good time. All right, that sharpshooter's dead. Now you want to attack the Overwatch with your Serb. As soon as the Overwatch shoots, put him on hold. That's it. Now kill it with your Nick. Now you got to be careful. If that Romero moves, get out of town. All right, here it gets hairy. You got to be careful. Keep your eye on the Romero. If the Romero moves, get out of town. Okay, the Romero didn't move, so we'll be all right. Just kill everything. Okay, he's not really there. Where'd this guy come from? This is not usual to have this guy over here. He came from somewhere. We didn't kill him. We'll kill him now. All right. Now we'll come in from the front. Killed most of the back. And here we don't need the Cerberus. Nick is enough. Kill these guys first. Now kill these guys again. Where you shoot is very important. Otherwise, the Romero will attack. Wait for these guys to come. Kill them both. Shoot the flak. Wait. Everybody will come. Okay, they're not coming. Shoot right here. Here they come. If the Romero attacks, get out of town. Okay, very important. Shoot right here. Watch the Romero. If the Romero moves, you're in trouble. All right, that's it. Now we're going to retreat. Now all we have left is these guys. And so not to worry about the Romero anymore, we're going to bring in aces. Bring in the aces. That's it. Bring in the aces. Clean up any mess you haven't cleaned up, which is basically just over here. Sometimes you can get that. Sometimes you can't. Okay, that's it. Now all you have to do is kill the Romero. I've been giving all these bases away, so I'm not going to finish that. But you can use various ways to take care of that. If you need more help with that, let me know. Okay, that's it. That's how easy it is. So we need to